Alright, so I got a little Amazon no-name box, integrated tail light with turn signals. Lamborghini style. Got some wiring harness. Hopefully this isn't too difficult. This is a 2023 Grom, so 2022s and up will be the same for this install. You're gonna have a little, this is the brake wire, it goes to the brake light. You have a little clip you're gonna wanna pop off here. There you go. And then these will just unclamp, which I'm gonna need. So I took my turn signals off. And there's like a orangish red wire, a green, and a blue. So I'm gonna guess the greens are the two yellows, which are the turn signals. So you're gonna have two bolts right here that you have to remove. Got this unplugged. There's gonna be a 10mm socket. Okay, now that I got that off, you wanna pull this wire. There might be a little clip right here. I think mine's already off. Maybe not. Get that out. Yep. That pops right out. Good. You wanna feed the wire. It's fucking tight. I don't need this anymore. Okay, so to feed it through, I had to clip this little clip off. Just use some wire cutters. And this thing should pull easier through here. Never know, because this shit's such a tight space. Maybe I have to take the pins out first. It's always good to take a picture of which goes where before you take the pins out. So we got, on the top, we got black and then two greens. So this idiot didn't even fucking start the film.
I thought he handed it to me.
What I did was, I fucking depinned this from the old wiring harness. There's little tabs in there. You just press them forward and you pull these out. Then this thing pulls out of here. You put the new one in, feed these through, bolt the 10mm back on. Now you got all the wires. Great. So this is the original plug that comes with it. I forget what they're called, but you want to take that out and you want to put the new flasher that comes with it. Just clips in with the clip on the bottom. With this side up, blue goes here, red goes here, black goes here. And the two yellows don't go in the two greens. I don't know why, but you're gonna have to switch them around until you figure out which one goes to where, but they go in the yellow or the orange and the blue. Everything is working good. Left turn signal, right turn signal, off, back brake, front brake. Alright, so one idiot to another. I hope this helped. I have no idea what I'm doing, but somehow I figured it out.
With the help of good friends.
Yeah, so this guy doesn't know how to work a camera. Later.